welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to convert your steps into real PayPal money with Sweatcoin. If you're walking daily and want to actually cash out, here's how to turn your Sweatcoins into real money safely and fast. First of all, open the Sweatcoin app. Download or update your Sweatcoin from the App Store, then log in. Make sure you have granted motion and fitness and location permissions so your steps are tracked correctly. Next, walk and collect Sweatcoins. Every 1,000 outdoor steps equals about 0.95 Sweatcoins. Walk as much as you can. Even short walks to school or work at work adds up fast. Tap the shopping bag icon. Scroll until you find shop with PayPal or Clash Reward or money offer. These limited time deals let you exchange Sweatcoins for real PayPal payments. When you see PayPal reward like $10 or 1,000 Sweatcoins, tap it immediately. This out quickly. Follow the instructions, usually verifying your email and linking your Sweatcoin account. Once verified, you'll receive your money through PayPal. Most payments arrive within the 24 to 72 hours after redemption. Boost your earning speed, use daily bonuses, watch 3 ads daily, invite friends. Each referral earns you bonus Sweatcoins. Walk outdoors, indoors, steps often don't count. Only redeem PayPal rewards from inside the official Sweatcoin app. Ignore external websites or DMs offering instant cash outs. Quick fix: if you can't find PayPal rewards, they appear only in certain countries and refresh weekly. Keep checking the marketplace offers tab daily for new ones. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick